Hey loves, in today's video, I am reviewing the UCANBE Dreamland palette from Amazon. This is the fourth video in my Amazon palette review series. If you would like to check out the other videos, there will be a link in the description. I purchased the UCANBE Dreamland palette from Amazon for $7.50. The Dreamland palette consists of 18 colors, 11 mattes, and 7 shimmers. I'm starting off look number 1 by applying Fresca in and above the crease of my eye with the E.L.F. eye crease brush. I am highlighting my brow bone with the lightest shade in my Flower Beauty highlighting palette using my Colourmates eyeshadow brush. I am blending my brow bone highlight into Fresca using the Ruby Kisses tapered eyeshadow brush. I am using the Aloe E113 to apply Ethereal to the outer 1/3 of my lid. With my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush, I am applying Love to the remainder of my lid. To add some sparkle, I decided to do my winged liner with this Magic Collection Rose Gold Glitter Eyeliner. I used the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara and the Laflare Faux Mink Lashes in style 12. I am taking Fresca on my AOA E115 and applying it to my lower lash line. I am lining my waterline with the LA Colors Metal Eye Pencil in Atomic. I am using my Bazic Beauty Small Eyeshadow Brush to press the shade Love into the LA Colors pencil. I am using the AOA E124 to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the shade Goddess. This is my first completed look using the Dreamland palette. It came out perfectly, exactly how I envisioned it. So pretty. I'm starting off look number 2 by placing Flora directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using my E.L.F. eye crease brush. Using my Start Mini Blending Brush, I am applying Eden right above Flora. I am highlighting my brow bone with this shimmery single shadow by LA Colors using my Colourmates eyeshadow brush. To make the shadows nice and seamless, I am going over them with the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. Using my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush, I am applying Aphrodite to the outer and inner thirds of my lid. I am applying Idolized to the center of my lid using the Bazic Beauty eyeshadow brush. For my liner, I combined the Revlon Color Charge Loose Powder in Gold Dust with the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. I applied the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. The lashes I'm using for this look are the Miss 3D Makeup Soft Lashes in the style 51. These lashes are so beautiful. They have an amazing curve. They're so wispy and long. These might just be my new favorite lash. I am placing New Classic along my lower lash line using the AOA E115. I am lining my waterline with the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Best O. I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Inspire using my Bazic Beauty small eyeshadow brush. Look number 2 is complete and I really like it. This one is my favorite out of the 2 looks that I have created. And it was nice taking a break from the black liner, and I feel like that's what added that something extra, adding that shimmer and shine to both looks. It's time for my final thoughts on the UCANBE Dreamland palette. I used 10 of the 18 colors available in the palette. I had a lot of fun using this palette. Let's start off with the consistency of the shadows, from the pigmentation to the texture, the way I was able to blend them out. They were all pretty solid shades, and I used 10 out of the 18 available, so that says a lot. And the color scheme, it is so pretty with the pinks, reds, and neutral tones. I love this palette and I definitely recommend it. There will be a link at the top of the description. Also, the Dreamland palette is only $7.50. That is an amazing deal for the quality of these shadows. What did you think of today's video? Let me know in a comment below. Check out the description for all of the products that I used to create both of these looks. And until next time, bye loves!